Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down. Now just find the security section and tap on that. Just right there you will see the advanced options and SIM card lock. Tap here to the SIM card and you see that the switcher is activated. Now just tap on the switcher once to unlock your SIM card. Just type here your password and click OK. And now, as can you see, we remove the SIM pin from your SIM card. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.